Most people don't think twice about when they shower. But did you know that for seniors over 70, the timing of a shower can be a hidden health risk? Doctors warn that showering at certain times of the day can raise the chance of dizziness, fainting, or even heart complications. Today, we'll uncover why timing matters so much, the science behind it, and what you can do to stay safe. Section 1. Why timing matters for seniors. As we age, our bodies respond differently to sudden temperature changes and shifts in blood pressure. Hot showers can dilate blood vessels, lowering blood pressure, while cold showers can constrict them, raising blood pressure. For younger people, the body usually adjusts quickly, but after 70, the cardiovascular system is more sensitive, and even small changes can cause dizziness, fainting, or dangerous stress on the heart. Research in the Journal of the American Geriatric Society shows that seniors are more likely to experience bathroom-related falls in the morning hours, especially right after waking up. That's because blood pressure naturally drops overnight and is unstable during the first hour after rising. Taking a hot shower too soon can push that instability further, leading to lightheadedness or fainting. Section 2. The most dangerous time to shower. Doctors agree that early morning, right after waking up, is the riskiest time for seniors to shower. Here's why. Blood pressure fluctuations. After sleeping, blood pressure may be lower than usual. Hot water lowers it further, increasing fall risk. Orthostatic hypotension. Many seniors experience a drop in blood pressure when standing up too quickly. Getting straight into a hot shower makes this effect stronger. Dehydration. Overnight, the body loses fluids through breathing and sweating. Starting the day dehydrated and then stepping into hot water can strain the heart. Stroke and heart attack risk. Sudden vascular changes in the morning hours are already a peak time for strokes and cardiac events. Adding a hot shower can intensify the risk. A case often cited by geriatric physicians involves seniors who faint in the shower, leading not only to medical emergencies, but also to injuries from falls on hard bathroom surfaces. Section 3. The safer times and habits. So, when is the safest time for seniors to shower? Doctors recommend late morning or early afternoon. By then, blood pressure and circulation are more stable. After light hydration, drinking a glass of water before showering helps prevent sudden drops in blood pressure. Avoiding immediately after meals. Right after eating, blood flow shifts to the digestive system, making dizziness more likely. Keeping water temperature moderate. Very hot water should be avoided. Lukewarm is safer for circulation and skin. One 76-year-old patient shared that she used to shower first thing in the morning and often felt dizzy afterward. After switching her routine to midday, she reported fewer dizzy spells and much more energy. Small adjustments like this can dramatically improve daily safety. Section 4. Medical recommendations for shower safety. Beyond timing, here are doctor-approved tips for safe showering after 70. Install grab bars. Prevents falls if dizziness occurs. Use a shower chair, especially useful for seniors with balance issues. Limit shower time. Long exposure to hot water can drop blood pressure further. Avoid locking the bathroom door, in case help is needed quickly. Cool down gradually. Do not step out immediately into a cold environment. Dry off slowly. Studies show that seniors who follow these safety practices significantly reduce their risk of shower-related accidents. In fact, The CDC reports that more than 230,000 bathroom-related injuries occur among older adults each year in the U.S., many linked to fainting or slips in the shower. Outro. So remember, for seniors over 70, the most dangerous time to shower is early morning, right after waking up. By waiting until later in the day, staying hydrated, and keeping the water temperature safe, you can protect your heart, your brain, and your independence. If you found this information helpful, please like this video, share it with loved ones, and subscribe for more senior health insights. And let us know in the comments, what time of day do you usually shower? And have you ever felt dizzy afterward? Your story could help others stay safe.